Mukesh, how are we feeling?
Great as usual.
Wow. What about Pedro? How are we feeling?
I'm excited to jump around and play mini golf.
Nice.
GoPro. Certain features which are different.
Yeah, but your eyes are trained to identify those features, and mine aren't.
He's shy. He leaves all the cameras, but he doesn't want to. Come on, Mukesh, show the dance moves. Mukesh, can you dance? Dance moves? No? Boo.
Especially when you're sober, it's
Pedro has the dance moves.
I can tell who's on the way out. 25 show, check the payout. I ain't going home, I'ma stay out. Motherfuckers hate you when they looking for a way out. I just sit back and let it play out. And she gon' let me hit it any day now. What you gonna say now? Love my ex-girl, got a bait now. But she still let me stay now.
Ready to sign your big contract, Mukesh? How much do you think you get paid?
depends how well I perform.
Contract negotiations are on. Papers on the table. Got the pen. Let's do it. Full of space.
Yeah.
That's a bad contract for me.
You get to enjoy a lot.
Sounds good.
So just enter 4 April and 25.
Now, what you gonna say now? Love my ex-girl, got a bait now. But she still let me stay now. I can tell who's on the way out. 25 show, check the payout. I ain't going home, I'ma stay out. Motherfuckers hate you when they looking for a way out. I just sit back and let it play out. And she gon' let me hit it any day now. What you gonna say now? Love my ex-girl, got a bait now. But she still let me stay now.
Live at turn 2 of the Lauderdale Grand Prix, and Max Verstappen is turning the corner, followed by Lewis Hamilton. Charles Leclerc on next, and you can see a big gap has been created. Here comes Pierre Gasly in his Alpine, pretty slow, followed by Esteban Ocon. The rivalry. Mukesh, tell us, how does it feel to be last at something?
No, it doesn't matter, I wasn't even trying. I was just competing with myself, not
What's the spirit?
any obstacle.
And Pedro almost got the prize.
That's the spirit of a loser, Mukesh.
In the next game, I'll try to do better.
Yeah, I get
get paid to do me, that's a fact check. I run it up, then retrace my last steps. I'm in the eardrums, talking about assets. Do you wanna? Hold up, I ain't even asked yet. She got her hair done, she finna need it redone. Boy, that pussy so good. Stuck it in, damn, that almost made me pre-cum. I let her give me some advice like I need some. Booked up, tell a dumb bitch read some. I'm anointed, I'm the boss, I done came out of pocket so much, you thought that I was disjointed. They pointed me towards your disc, I'm disappointed. My ex treat me like I ain't there. What happened to the feelings and love that we still share? Just like the girls who got my neck tatted and covered up, I know deep down, under the surface it's still there.
She gon' let me hit it anything now. What you gonna say now? My ex-girl got a bait now, but she still let me stay now. I can tell who's on the bell. 25 shows, check the bell. I ain't going home, still. Motherfuckers hate you when they looking for a bell. I just sit back and she gon' let me hit it anything now. What you gonna say now? My ex-girl got a bait now, but she still let me stay now.
Now, go on, I'm hyped. Show us something, man. Oh.
There's nothing you could do. I'll catch you when it's through. Hustle for the juice. 120 proof. I'm blowing up the roof. Blowing up the roof. Got nothing left to prove. I'm going all the way. I'm going. Yeah, my blood is rebel. I'm going all the way. I'm going to another level. Let's go to another level. Gotta get my hands dirty. To another level. Chain breaker, earth shaker, rainmaker. Yeah, another level. Chain breaker, earth shaker, rainmaker. Yeah, another level. Chain breaker, earth shaker, rainmaker. Yeah, another level. Chain breaker, earth shaker, rainmaker. Oh, to another level. I'm going all the way. I'm going. Yeah, my blood is rebel. I'm going all the way. I'm going to another level. To another level. Let's go, let's go, let's go. To another level. To another level. On my soul, everybody in the click strap, and they all on gold. Keep a stick just like Branch Poppy, but I ain't a troll. On my mama, can't nobody out here play me for no hoe. Guard your grill. Ain't nobody out here hard to kill. The gat I pack go black and peel your cap from front to back. How you still for harder steel? Tuna fish my hardest meal. Stay trail when they switch to harder skill. I'm gonna feel like a Buffalo Bill with a bubble coat filled with a couple of the post chill. Switch it up, get that red, black and white. Michael Bibbit. I get cheese with everybody, but can't do it with no Mickey. Keep a blicky on me for them serpents trying to give me hickeys. Who won't smoke? Who won't smoke? Well, guess what, ho? I'm the chimney.
Bring me the smoke and I'll build you a fire to burn my desire, burn my desire. Bring me the smoke and I'll build you a fire to burn my desire, burn my desire.
On my soul, everybody in the click strap, and they all on gold. Keep a stick just like Branch Poppy, but I ain't a troll. On my mama, can't nobody out here play me for no hoe.
Slander, all the banter, just one answer, I'm an animal. I'm just one man, outstanding though. Part wolf, part king, part Hannibal. Example proves I'm built like I'm mechanical. On the mic, I'm a cannibal. You don't know who I'm family to. You don't know my team, you don't know my man's do.
Come on over, chilly, let me light your fire. We can get to cooking on, it's been a while. I can get down, just give me the spice. We in a sticky situation like sushi rice. Come on over, chilly, let me light your fire. We can get to cooking on, it's been a while.
Left, left, left. Right. Left. Right. Left.
When you leave me, make me jump over my road. Didn't face you, would've given you the more. Even after everything that we've been through, I ain't never met nobody like you. Why you always tryna tell me that it's cool? Need the quiet cause you never tell the truth. Felt like ballin' was the only thing to do. Trade my woman for some diamonds and a cool. When she coming from my heart, it feels like Armageddon. I'ma turn the tables, promise you will not forget it. Won't apologize, don't give a fuck if you're offended. No discussion, yeah, we gotta go our separate ways. Won't stay me down in flames. I don't even wanna know your name. Watch how everything is gonna change. Yeah, hey. I'ma pull up in a Bentley with a fucking 100,000 in my pocket. Yeah, yeah. I'ma pull and slam my door open, stunning, knowing everybody watching. Yeah, yeah. And help another bitch out the whip, and I don't give a fuck if you don't like it. Yeah, yeah. Just to show you that it's over, it don't matter what you gotta say about it. Yeah, I'ma put that bitch pussy in a motherfucking body bag, so you know that I'm never ever coming back. You kept your heart on the counter in a Prada bag. I used to never ever wanna see the light of day. Yeah, I was an idiot.
You can call anybody, double the points in the...
No, I don't even want you anymore, anymore. It's over now.
Let's go!
It's over now.
220.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
3, 2, 1. One last one.